Hello everyone, Daria here, and in today's video I will answer one of the most frequently asked questions. Why "o" in Russian sometimes sounds like "a"? So here we go. Let's have a look at this example. What you see is the word milk, молоко. In the written form, we see three "o", молоко. But pay attention to how I pronounce this word. Молоко, молоко. So, when you speak, there is only one clear, distinct "o". Others turn to the sound like this. This is something between clear "a" and "o", something in the middle. Okay? Молоко. It's not молоко. It's молоко. Not that clear of "o" and "a". Молоко. So why this happens? Why? This is one of the rules of Russian pronunciation. We have a term of stress. Stress. You know, when one of the vowels are stressed, it means that you emphasize them while speaking. Oh my God, it's so hot here. So, you see how I emphasize the last "o". Молоко, молоко. Молоко. So let's get another example. Russia in Russian is Россия. Here, E is stressed. Listen to me. Россия, Россия. So this "o" gets reduced. This rule is called the vowel reduction. So, if "o" is stressed, it stays "o". If it's not stressed, it turns to "a". Молоко, Россия, молоко, Россия. Window, окно. You write окно, but you say окно, window. Окно, окно. Okay? So, if it's not stressed, it's "a". Now, I guess you have a question how to understand which vowel is stressed. So let's talk a little bit about that. Bad news first. In Russian, we have no strict rules about the stress. So looking at any word, you can't understand immediately where to put stress. Unfortunately, you just need to accept it as a fact. And every time you learn a new word, when you look it up in a dictionary, you should memorize the stress too. But the good news is that I have a couple of tips for you. Number one, your is always stressed. Далекий, ёлка, ёжик. It's always stressed, no matter what. Okay, number two. In adjectives, when you see ой in the ending, ой, большой, big, большой, it's stressed in most situations, okay? In most situations. So in adjectives, the ending ой is stressed. And number three, in adjectives, the endings e and ый. For example, далекий, far away, красивый, beautiful. They are not stressed. You see, that's a stress sign, not stressed. Not stressed. So if you have an adjective on E, like I mentioned, красивый, красивый, You don't put stress here. No, 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 no. So it goes anywhere else but there. So it's just, I know it's not enough, but just a couple of tips to make your life a little bit easier. So that was it for today's explanation. This is called the vowel reduction rule. Below this video, I will add a link to where you can learn more about it. So I guess that's it for today. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And if you liked this video, press like, and I'll be really grateful if you share this video with your fellows Russian language learners, because I receive this question like every single day. Why O sounds like A in Russian? So if you know someone who is starting to learn Russian, please share this video with them. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.